Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I made a video. Lots of life stuff going on. Just been busy. But got something fun and new. My brother over here picked up this 2013 Camaro SS stick shift. He got him a real car this go around. It's a 6.2 big cam, 93 tune. And we're about to take it to the drag strip and see what it does. What you think it's gonna do?
Well, me driving a stick that ain't never done it before, probably like a 18.
It'll be fun, man. I think it's gonna be probably a little better than that. I think it's probably about a.
No.
It's got to be a 12-second car, depending on the driver at least. Maybe 11 if I'm behind the wheel doing the driving, you know, because I got a little bit of stick shift action.
I'm coming right off the work shift, man.
Well, we're about to find out. We're gonna take this in the Yukon over there, over to Alabama International, basically our home drag strip. So we're gonna hit the road, see what this whole thing will do. It's the new mom whip, and then over there we got the Silverado. You know, it's like I hit the lottery out here in 2006. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna get on the road. We're here, the good old Alabama International Dragway with the old slow Camaro. We're gonna see what this thing will do. Get the cameras put on it. Ain't gotta do no tuning, nothing. We just get in and drive the dang thing. It's kind of nice. So we'll see what this thing's gonna do. I got to explain to the old man over here how to lead the line in a stick shift car. So this is what you're gonna do. We're gonna get up there, stage in the first light, ride your clutch a little bit, get in the first light, ride your clutch to get in the second light. Once you get there, push the clutch in. It'll most likely it's not going to roll through it. My car don't roll through it. You don't have no handbrake or nothing. You could use that handbrake actually.
No,
that makes it a little tougher.
You can't use
Oh,
that.
it's broke. That's right.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna have to roll into the second light and give it a little bit of gas. Don't dump the clutch. Ride the clutch.
Yeah, like whoop, 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 let it slip out.
Yeah, don't dump it, because you dump it, it's just gonna go. It's gonna bog down.
Right.
You'll figure it out.
Yeah, you slide it out. Like you're
Yeah.
giving it a little, like you want it to. I like a stalling automatic's going to do. It gives it a little bit of power to come out.
Yeah, you don't want to slip the clutch.
That's the same thing as doing.
So we can get a two-step
Yeah,
on it.
kinda,
And once we get a two-step on it, then it'll get better. But we got to get some different tires and a whole bunch of other stuff to actually make this thing go fast. So, but we're gonna get the cameras put on there and get this thing going. I knew that was gonna happen. It's just the way it goes. Your first time leaving a stick car, it's kind of hard. You have to get used to it. I'll show him the ropes here in a second. We'll let him do a couple more passes and see. But that ain't bad for his first stick shift pass. So get back in the car and kind of go over everything and see what's up. What I tell you was gonna happen. I told you it's not easy. It definitely takes an effort to get it off the line going good. I think part of it was probably RPM. No RPM bogged it down is my guess, but we'll let it cool off and try it again, see what happens. Oh, look at that 60 foot, 257. This thing's gonna go way better. 111 ain't bad, that ain't bad for a mile an hour, but you also missed the gear, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I found neutral.
We'll figure it out here in a second. Yeah, he definitely rode the clutch way too hard. You probably saw the bit of white smoke come out. Not good, John. Not good. I might have to show him how to do it, I guess. But we got to let it cool down again. It's a clutch car, so let the clutch cool down and go from there. And see what happens. I also have no idea what it went. I couldn't really tell when he was down there. So we'll just have to check the slip when he gets back. Well, far, we broke it, or at least we think we broke it. I don't know what's going on with it, but hey, we'll have to see what happens. Maybe we'll take the old Yukon down and see what the old stock Yukon do. Maybe, we'll see. If it's broke, it's broke. That's obviously going in there or not. We'll figure it out here in just a second, though. Like it went into gear. Will we race it again? I'm not really sure, but tune in next time to find out. Just kidding. We're gonna find out right here. What's the diagnosis, Doc? Low on clutch fluid, you think?
I don't know.
We'll just have to figure it out. I don't know. That's weird, though. You smoked the snot out of the clutch.
You smell it?
I saw it.
Oh, that's probably what I did. I probably cooked it.
Maybe, but it shouldn't have been that hot. I wouldn't think. Unfortunately, John is not a stick shift racer.
Hey, I'm road racing this damn thing. I'm not doing this.
Last run was 18 seconds.
Huh?
18 seconds on your last run.
I'm road racing it. No more of this bullshit.
Well, I think that's going to end our night, unfortunately. So, not what we wanted to do. Unfortunately, that's just the way it goes sometimes. We have to get him back out here in the Impala. That's coming very soon, probably next week. We'll be back out here on ethanol. Make that thing go pretty quick. So we'll see what happens with that. Thank y'all for tuning in. I know this was probably a short video, but we're just out here trying to have fun. We'll see y'all next time.